In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to OpenAI using an external request in a simple AI reply flow. We'll be creating a basic setup that takes a customer's message inside ManyChat, sends it to OpenAI through the Chat Completions API, and prepares the foundation for an AI-powered response workflow. This is a great option if you want more flexible dynamic replies inside your automation, and it can also be adapted later if you prefer using Make, Zapier, or another external tool instead. To begin, log into your ManyChat account and open the Settings area. From there, go to Integrations. This is where you can review available connection options and decide how you want ManyChat to communicate with outside services. If you're not planning to use ManyChat's direct request tools, this is also the stage where you could choose an alternative route like Make, Zapier, or external requests handled through another platform. The important thing here is understanding that ManyChat needs a way to pass message data out to OpenAI. Once that's clear, move into automation, then open flows and create a new flow. This flow should be triggered by a customer message because the goal is to react to something the subscriber actually types. In other words, the user sends a message, and that message becomes the input for the AI request. As you build this, keep the flow focused and easy to test so you can confirm each part is working before expanding it. Next, add an external request action node inside the flow. This is the piece that sends the data from ManyChat to OpenAI. In the request settings, use the OpenAI Chat Completions API URL as the destination endpoint. This tells ManyChat exactly where to send the request so the AI can process the customer's message. Be careful when entering the endpoint and review it closely, because even a small typo can prevent the request from working properly. After that, set up the JSON payload so the subscriber's input message is passed as the prompt. This is what gives the AI the actual text to respond to. The key idea is that the customer's message should be inserted dynamically, rather than hard-coded, so each request reflects what the user just said. As you configure the payload, make sure the formatting is valid JSON, because clean structure is essential for the API to understand your request correctly. And that's the core setup. You've logged into ManyChat, created a message-triggered flow, added an external request to OpenAI, and configured the payload to send the subscriber's message as the prompt. From here, you'll be ready to test and build on that foundation in your next steps.